we start with the U in such a way that we stand parallel. Yeah? And now in a way we do with the legs what we've done with the arms. We use our arms to support the legs, but the actual thing happens in the legs. We go down, we feel the parallelity of our legs, and we go down through the legs, connecting with the center of the earth. And then slowly we stretch our legs, but we stay connected with the center, as if we would stretch a rubber band. And maybe you notice the heels become light. We do it one more time, and most of the time we will do a step backwards, just to symbolize we want to collect energies now, even with the U. Parallel, we go down, we connect with the center, we stay there when we stretch. We stretch, but we stay down there and feel the heels become light. And we are still grounded. Last time, we go down through our legs, feel the parallelity, and stretch. And stay connected with the center of the earth. We relax and let the breath go. Come a little bit forward again to be able to do some little exercise with the O in the legs. And as a preparation, we just let go. We become soft. We remember the energy of weight. And just by itself, the legs become round a little bit. And the O quality starts when we use our thighs. And from there, we put in a little bit of energy, which lets our energy body grow and become round, that we become a little bit like a frog. And everything is originating in our thighs. And then we just let go again. We make a step backwards, yeah? And repeat. We relax, let go. We feel our thighs and let them grow and become and expand and round our energy body, and this lifts the body a little bit and the heels become light, and we even bend forwards a little bit. And then we let go, the body becomes upright, but we stay down there in this energy body we've just created. And the last time, little step backwards. And when you notice that the inclination forward comes to the O, it's perfect. And if it doesn't happen, it will happen next time. Just relax, thighs, and create this expansion with the thighs. And allow yourself to be inclined a little bit forward. Let go and stay connected with the energy down there. And let your breath react. Again, we come forward. We use one leg, never mind which one, and I go a little bit backward, then you can see my feet better, and we cross the legs. And don't hurt yourself, just do it in the most comfortable way. The further down the legs cross, maybe the better, but just do it as it comes about. Stand relaxed, the hips more or less forward, and try to feel this meeting point of the two legs. The leg from behind meets the leg from in front. And take this point into your consciousness and feel its reflection in your heart. The heart also is a meeting point and can understand what's happening there. And then go from your heart down through your heels into the earth without losing the connection of the two legs. Take your front leg, put it back, and the leg which is now in front, you just draw it there. You feel the contact zone slightly push. You feel it in your heart. You connect with the earth. Take your forward foot, put it behind, draw the foot which is now in front of the other one, cross it, feel the crossing, feel your heart, feel down through your heels into the earth. And the last time, take your front foot, put it behind, draw the other one in front of the one which is behind now. Feel the contact zone. Feel its reflection in your center. Connect it through your heels with the center of the earth. And relax. Make 1-2 steps forwards. Feel your center. Make one step to one side and the other one to the other side, and be in your center again. Feel from your heart through your legs and your heels down into the earth, and feel on the other side the supportive energy, the supportive power coming through your legs, carrying your spine, giving you strength from within. Your heels are relevant for this effect. Close your legs, make a step backwards, left, right, doesn't matter in this case. Just be centered again. Don't place yourself aside. Come back to your center. Feel your heart through the legs, through the heels, into the earth. And feel the profit you get from it. Close your legs to repeat it a last time. One side, the other side, centered again. Connect through your limbs with the earth. Profit. Again, relax, let your breath flow, feel your legs, feel your chest, your shoulders, and take a seat for a short moment, please. There will be 2 free webinars on Saturday and the Saturday after, the Saturday at Easter, where I had planned something for the autumn and in May, because the core of Eurythmy for You are the nervosity exercises, the exercises against nervosity by Rudolf Steiner. But now I think in these times everybody is a little bit like this, and we cannot practice eurythmy all the time, but there are everyday exercises which we can joyfully do, like hiding things from ourselves, thinking backwards, changing handwriting, changing habits, and they address our bodies in different ways. And in the next Saturday and the Saturday afterwards, it's a repetition, the same, I'm going to explain these exercises. And if a few of you would like to build a group together with me, then we can start after Easter and go together through these exercises. These exercises help us to attain presence in daily activities, interest and joy in life.
In my occupation with the question of nervousness and the exercises which Rudolf Steiner has given for it, I discovered that one can also see a close relationship to the exercises which he described for the Eightfold Path.
Get a vivid picture.
These exercises teach us to strengthen our memory, feel well, become more mobile in thinking, experience how others see us, handle our wishes more consciously, become secure in our decisions, and judge everyday situations objectively.